I have a few friends that are going to start their seeds now, so I said that I would give them some free seed starting mix to get their seed started. So let me show you how I make mine. So here we go. Enjoy the video. Well, hello. When it comes to potting mix, everyone does things differently, so use at your own discretion. So don't compare my method to your method. The main thing is, as long as your plants are starting to germinate, that's the thing that really matters. So what I have here, I have some perlite and some sphagnum peat moss mix and a few other ingredients. Then I'm going to add 100% castings that were sorted with my sifter, with my 1/8 sifter and my 1/4 sifter. So I'm going to pour that in there like this. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add this mixture in as well together and mix it out. And this mixture will have a little bit of some agents that will absorb the water and also to release the water with this mixture of peat moss. So when it comes to your peat moss or whatever your soil mix, what do you use? What I'm going to do now, that's good to go. I am just going to apply it and add it to my Ziploc bag to give to my friend, and I will let him do a before and after, and I will give you the results, because I don't want to tell you something. I want you to get feedback from customers 100%, so that way you can know how things work out for me, and that way it'll help you in the future. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to poke some holes in here. So we'll call this good to go. But that's how I make my seed starting mix. I always try something new. But don't use 100% worm castings. Always use at least 20% worm castings, because worm castings are potent and they can do a lot more damage to your plant because of the pure castings. But if you're going to apply the castings, 100% pure castings, apply them directly to the base of the plant. But for seed starting, always mix it, because your plants aren't strong enough yet to handle the 100% pure worm castings. So here's another video. I want to say thanks for watching. You have a great day. Bye.